Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a Wikipedia page, that is this page, how to edit it and add your website URL at the reference point. So I'm going to show you from start to finish how to go about editing a Wikipedia page and adding your website URL. In the previous video, I've shown you how to get backlinks from Wikipedia via image, page creation, dead link, and editing of a page. These are the 4 methods I usually use to get backlinks from Wikipedia. So in this video, I'll be using one of these methods to edit this. Using one of these methods to get backlinks live on Wikipedia. So let's get started. So this is the page I'll be editing right now to get Wikipedia links. This is the page I'm editing right now to get backlinks to my site. So when I get to this page, I'll click on edit. But first of all, you must have logged in to your Wikipedia account. Do not edit as a user. The reason is so that you'll be able to track and know when your link is being removed on Wikipedia. So log in to your Wikipedia account and click on edit. So we can start editing this page. On Wikipedia, there are 2 ways to edit. You can use the visual, which is the one you are seeing, just like your WordPress or Blogger account, or you can use the source citing. This one is a bit technical. You can see it's in code language. Sometimes on Wikipedia, you may not edit a page using the visual editor. You must use this sometimes. So, and sometimes when you come press edit, it brings out this. So this is where you can change. You can click here and change it to visual editing. So I'll be using visual editing to edit this page. So I'm going to be making some changes. I'm going to be adding some content right up on this page, because there's some things that are missing on this page which I need to add. And remember, I said before you edit a Wikipedia page, you must have created the content related to that content you want to make edits to and get backlinks. So this is where I'm going to be editing. This is not complete. The universities or college added to this page is not complete, it's incomplete. So I'll go to that page which I've created. This university is not on that page, so I'm going to copy this and paste it. Now after that, I can hyperlink this. This is just additional editing. I can hyperlink this. I want to be sure this is the university first. So no costume. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. So let me add a pair. It's not working. Let me click on this. Alright, I've added an internal page to this right St. University have added, and make sure that it's the one that is located in Nigeria in a pair added. So after that, what I'm going to do now, also let me hyperlink this. This is just additional, you understand? It's not that if you don't do all this, your link will be removed. No, this is another way to make your edit relevant. Now is the time for me to add my website URL. As this Lagos State University, all these are all references. That's why it have 5, 6, and 7. So I'm going to add in my own beside it. Add my own beside. Click on here, then scroll up and click on Site. And click on Site. Then there are two ways to get to add your site on Wikipedia. You can use automatic, or you can do it manually. So let me just do this automatically so that it will be fast. Sometimes I do use manual. Like for example, if I want to use manual, what I'll be clicking on is website, because I'm trying to cite from a site. But let me do it automatically. Then I'll copy this URL. This is the URL I want to hyperlink. I want to get backlinks from. Copy it. Then click paste. And click on generate. It will automatically generate everything you have to do manually. When you want to cite manual, you can see. So it has automatically generated a citation for this. So I click on insert. I can click on insert. But if I want to do it manually, this is how to do it manually. Click on website. Then add your name, or sometimes I usually add the name of the website as the name. Then the title, that is the title of this post I created. This is title. Then URL. This is URL of the post. You copy this and paste here. Ignore this. Also ignore this. So let me just do this so that you understand it better. You see all this stuff that is asterisk, They are all important, you must add it. All this I can ignore all this. Move down. I also have to add the dates here too. But first, let me add the name of the website. That's the date of this article was written. So it is 8th of October 2022. So I'll go to this page. I want to be sure this is the format, because there's a particular format to add date on Wikipedia. So I'll go to this page. I scroll down. Let me see how it's retrieved. 23 July 2015. So I can remove this comma. And use the add page. Alright, I think we are good to go. You can see this link is dead. This is another way to create backlinks from Wikipedia. If I want to get backlinks from Wikipedia using this method, I just have to create a page related to this Augustine University. Then I'll come here and change these backlinks and change this get link. So let's back to our topic, back to our video. So after that, you can now click on insert. So you see insert. Then if you click on this number 8, it should have referred you to this, but let's look at the link here. So we've created a backlink on Wikipedia, but that's not all. After you've done that, we have to publish the changes. If you do not publish it, this edit you just made on this post, on this page, will be reverted. So I'll click on publish changes. This is a minor edit. Ignore that. So I'm going to put in describing the changes I've made on this post. So let me copy this. I want to copy this. So you can say I said I added omitted university in it, and also I hyperlink some internal pages. So after that, I'll click on watch this page. You should click this so that if your link is being removed on Wikipedia, you can be notified that this link has been removed. So it's going to be permanent. So anytime this link is removed, anytime it's been changed, you'll be notified. And after that, you click on publish changes or review your changes. So let me click on publish changes. Then fill this captcha. So that is it. So we have edited this Wikipedia page and we've gotten backlinks on this page. So look at it. If you click on this, you can see it. Backlinks from Wikipedia is a no-follow backlink, but it still plays an important role in your link profile. So that is how to edit Wikipedia page and get backlinks to your page or to your website. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment if you have any question. And if this is your first time of watching my video, subscribe to get more videos on blogging tips, SEO, and how to make money online. I will see you in the next video.